Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. Today we are going to start chapter 11 average. So first, what do you mean by average? What do you mean by average? The average of a group of number of the same kind. The average of a group of number of the same kind. Here same kind, that means we can say suppose we have height of 5 student, weight of 5 student, okay, amount for 5 pen, okay, or we can say score of 5 batsmen, okay. So these are same kind of data, okay. The average of a group of numbers of the same kind is a single number which represent the group, understood? Now how to measure the average, or how to find out the average when we have some data, now let me show you. For finding average we have two steps. Step number 1, find the sum of all given numbers, or we can say observation, okay. Step number 1, find the sum of all given numbers or observation. Now step number 2, divide the total by number of observation. In first step we have seen, first we have to find sum of all given observation or all given number. Now in step number 2 we have seen, we have to divide the sum by number of observation, understood? So here we have the formula to find average equal to sum of observation divided by number of observation. This you have to learn, okay. Average equal to sum of observation divided by number of observation. Suppose you have 3 observation, 2, 1 and 3, okay. For these number we have to find out the average. So according to step number 1, first we have to add number of observation. First we have to add the given observation. So here we have 2, 1, 3. So first we'll add 2 plus 1 plus 3 will get 6, okay. 2 plus 1 3 and plus 3 6. And according to step number 2 we have to divide the total by number of observations. So here we have to count how many observations are there. So first, second, third, 1 2 3. So we have 3 observations. So this total we have to divide by 3 to find average, okay. When we divide we'll get 2. This is the average of this number, okay, understood? First we have to add the observations, whatever observations are given there. First we have to add. After that we have to count the number of observation, as you can see on the screen, 1 2 3, okay. And here you can see this 6. This is the total of this number, and that I have divided by number of observation, and number of observation here 3, okay. When we divide we'll get 2, understood? So this is the formula. This you have to learn. Average equal to sum of observation by number of observation, and this is the example. This is how we have to find out the average, okay. Now let me give you examples to you. So here we have question number 1. The price of 5 books are rupees 258, rupees 252, rupees 376, rupees 390 and rupees 364, okay. So here we have amount for 5 books, okay, Now we have to find the average price of the book. So we have to find out average price of the book, okay, okay. So you know very well step number 1, what we have to do, find out the sum of the prices of all the books. Whatever prices we have to add them. Okay, we have to add. So when we add, sum of all the prices equal to 258, 252, 376, 390, 364. When we add, we'll get 1640. 1640. Okay, when we add, we'll get 1640. Now we have to see how many observations are there. How many observations are there? So clearly you can see it is given here the price of 5 book. Okay, 5 book already is mentioned. Otherwise, you can count also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have number of observation 5. Okay, now step number 2, write the number of observation. So we have number of observation 5. Okay, now we have to use the formula to find average, and you know very well what is the formula to find average. Average equal to sum of observation, which we have already got here, 1640, divided by number of observation, and that also we have written here 5. Now reduce the term. 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15, 1 left, 1 4 14. It will go 2 times. 5 2 is 10. Now 4 left, 4 0, 40. Now 5 8 is 40. Okay, so when we reduce the term, we will get here 328. This is the average. Okay, this is the average. So this is how you have to find out the average when you have the data like this. Okay, understood? Let me give you another example. Find the average height of 4 students. Height of 4 students. So number of observation is given here 4 students. If their individual heights are 120 meter, 142 centimeter, 135 centimeter, and 131 centimeter. Okay, so according to step number 1, first we have to find out the sum of heights of 4 students. Sum of heights of 4 students. 120 first one, 142 second one, 135 third one, and 131 last one. When we add, we'll get 528 centimeter. Okay, 528 centimeter. Okay, now number of students or number of observation clearly mentioned here 4 students. Okay, even you can count also 1 2 3 4. So number of student or number of observation here we have 4. Now finally we have to find out average. How to find out average? Equal to we have to use the formula. So average height, here we will write average height. Okay, because here we have the data in height, so we have to find, you have to write here average height equal to sum of heights divided by number of students. Sum of heights which we got here. Okay, sum of heights of 4 students 528 centimeter divided by number of students. Okay, so number of heights we have 528 divided by number of students we have 4. Okay, now reduce the term. When we reduce the term, 4 1 is 4. Here also 4 1 is 4. 1 left, 1 to 12. 4 3 is 12. And 2 left, 4 2 is 8. Okay, that means from here we got 132 centimeter. This is the answer. This is the average. Understood? So this is how you can find out the average of given observation. Okay, so children, today whatever I have discussed with you, I hope everything is clear to you. Thank you.